Artificial intelligence, or AI, is a broad field focused on building machines that can mimic human intelligence. Whether it's recommending your next book, recognizing your voice commands, or navigating a self-driving car, AI aims to simulate how we think, learn, and solve problems. But within this vast field, there are layers of more specific technologies that make modern AI possible. One of the most important subfields of AI is machine learning, ML. Instead of being manually programmed with rules, machine learning systems learn from data. Imagine trying to teach a machine to recognize a cat, not by writing thousands of lines of code about fur, ears, and tails, but by showing it thousands of pictures of cats until it starts to recognize the patterns on its own. That's ML, systems learning from experience. Within machine learning, we have a powerful technique known as deep learning, DL. This is where things start to get really interesting. Deep learning uses structures called neural networks, which are inspired by the human brain. A neural network is made up of layers of interconnected neurons, small units that take in information, process it, and pass it on to other neurons in the next layer. As data moves through these layers, the network learns more complex patterns, starting from simple edges in an image, for example, to eventually recognizing an entire face. The deep in deep learning refers to how many of these layers there are. Building on this technology, we arrive at large language models, LLMs, such as GPT. These are deep learning models trained on enormous amounts of text to understand, summarize, translate, and even generate human-like language. They're the brains behind modern conversational AI. Then we have generative AI, a rapidly growing category of AI that creates new content, whether that's text, images, music, or even code, based on what it has learned. LLMs are at the heart of generative AI for language, while tools like DAL do the same for images. Essentially, these systems don't just recognize patterns, they use those patterns to generate something new. To bring it all together, AI is the overarching concept. Machine learning powers AI by allowing systems to learn from data. Deep learning is a method within machine learning that uses neural networks to find deeper insights. LLMs are advanced deep learning models focused on language, and generative AI uses those models to create brand new content. Thank you for watching my video. And since you've made it this far, you deserve a little humor. Why did the large language model get kicked out of the party? Because it wouldn't stop predicting what everyone was going to say next.